Hi guys, it's Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of Sola wood flowers in the United States with almost 150 different Sola style flowers now. It's crazy. Today's tutorial, guys, is going to be so much fun. You see back over there on the fireplace that lovely garland that's not in focus but will be in a minute? We're going to make that today. Alright guys, so today's project is all about garland. You can use this on a table, on a fireplace, swag it over in a doorway, an arch, whatever you want to use for this. So we're going to take one of these simple greenery type style garlands and we're going to zhuzh it up a little bit. We're going to add a little bit more filler to it to change the color dynamics just a little bit. We're going to add some Sola flowers and we're going to make it a 100% unique, customizable piece of garland for whatever occasion that you have. What you're going to need for this tutorial is garland of some sort, whatever length that you need. You can add more to it if you need to. We are also going to add additional filler. I'm going to use this beautiful purple filler. Now this is not in our shop. We actually sent this out in subscription boxes. We have subscription boxes and our subscription box members got this exclusive Sola flowers. I am using Buttercup, Poppy, Chippy. Those are the three flowers that I'm using and they're all in a similar color story but a little bit different. This kind of peachy, corally kind of color. So we're going to use those. The other supplies you're going to need are petal wire. This I believe is a 22 gauge. I also have binding wire, which is a thinner wire that has paper covered around it. This is what I'm going to use to attach my greenery to the greenery. This we're going to use for the flowers and I'll show you how we're going to use that in just a second. With this technique too, you're going to need your clippers and a pair of pliers and then a little bit of hot glue for stemming the flowers and you're good to go. Here's a little trick on how to stem Sola flowers when it comes to using it on a garland. We're gonna create like these little legs. So what you wanna do is you're gonna grab your paddle wire, clip off, I would say that's about 6 inches or so, and you're going to fold it in half. Take your pliers and you're gonna tighten up that fold up at the top. Make it as compact and thin as you can. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a little bit of hot glue, go into the back of our flower, put it in just like you would a floral stem itself. But now you have these two little legs and you'll see in just a minute why that's gonna make this so much easier for this garland. All right, so the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna take apart this greenery so that we can use it in little bunches throughout our garland. And the way this is set up is there's actually these little sprigs that come off of each other. You're gonna, whatever greenery you're deciding to use, and you can use a whole bunch of different greenery and make them into little bunches. I'm just gonna use this greenery as my little bunch. But you're gonna kind of figure out how everything is wired up together and take it apart, bunch by bunch. Take our garland and basically we're just going to add those little bunches throughout this piece to fill it in some more. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use my binding wire to do that. You can also use paddle wire if you want. You can use floral tape, whatever you want to use. I just have a love for this binding wire that I want to use this for this, so that's what I'm going to do. You can also use twine just tie little knots and secure everything together as well. That would work as well. Okay, so we have all of our purple greenery mixed in now with there's a little bit of peach to the tips of this greenery, which is why we've got the peach flowers. We're gonna tie that all in. So now we're gonna take all of our Sola flowers and we're just gonna find spots to fill in the flowers. And I've got a range of sizes, some bigger ones and little ones, and we're just gonna pop them in. So when we have these little legs, I'm gonna try to flip this over and I'm gonna bring you in for a close shot so you can kind of see how this is all coming together. So hopefully you can see this. But what I've done is I wrapped that around and now I'm just twisting this in place. And I am gonna clip off the excess because we don't need a huge long tail in there. I'm gonna keep filling it in. There you guys have it, an easy way to take a simple garland and just bump it up just a little notch, just a little bit. How pretty did this turn out? So I'm gonna see if I can get it to go back up on that back fireplace and set that all up, but I'm really loving the color scheme we picked out. Super fun. If you love this tutorial, can't get enough, want to know when the next one goes live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to find out about the 150 plus Sola style flowers we carry in the shop. Go to ohyourelovely.com. And until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye guys.